Hey guys, welcome back. Tonight I will be opening up a package that is not for me. I made it, but it is actually for you guys. Well, for anybody who signs up underneath me. It is from Vistaprint. So I went ahead and made up some informational postcards for you guys. If I can open it, goodness. Let's see, this should work. Ha, there we go. They make it really hard to get into. At least it's protected. Okay, we'll just slip it out this way. So, information about essential rewards and why to choose essential rewards when you become a member. Lots of good information like getting points back, trying new oils, gifts when you hit certain levels, reduced shipping even, and you can back out anytime you want with no penalties. Let's see. This one. Let's see. Oh, this is about the income possibilities when you start selling with Young Living, which is never forced on you. It's always your choice. All right. Let's see. There should be one more. Yep. Obviously, I was not ready for this thick packaging, hence the pen. There we go. Now, you don't have to do this if you decide to sell. This is just something that I enjoyed doing and I thought would help me in running this business. Come on. There we go. All right, this one. Oh, this one is my 4 favorite roller recipes that I will send you if you sign up with me. You'll get these. Well, you'll get all of these really, all 3, and then you will also get 2 rollers. They're tinted to protect the oils, and if you sign up with me via a premium starter kit, you will also get this beautiful lavender oil with rosebud bath salts. So you could always keep the oils for yourself and give this to your mother for Mother's Day. Nice little gift. All right, that is it for tonight. Feel free to message me with questions, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.